You cut out right when I said I was gonna hurt somebody. That's funny. It might have been the it might have been the music. So now our mission is to find music that we can play while um I wonder will it ever tell me which policy I may have violated. I go to yeah, YouTube is really strict with copyright. So, but it's okay. So I don't know if I can get copyright strikes this early on. But what we're going to do is we're gonna find some music that we can play during the stream. Because if I sit here in silence, I might go a little crazy. Oh, there's an audio library. There's music. What is this? What's up, J Mac? Hold on. Before I'm a comment on your code snippet, but I just want to find some music. So I need to get this taken care of so that I never get taken down like that again. Yo, I'm just wondering how far have you gotten with learning web dev? You making sprites for a game or something? Okay, so J Mac, what I'm doing is I noticed that it's hard for me to stream for a long time. Um, so what I'm gonna do? Actually, let me it's hard for me to stream for a long time. Let me see something. So I'm doing 20 minutes of coding and then 10 minutes of art. That's how we gonna do that now. Man, do we have? Can we just search? Can we say rain? No, Pokemon music is not allowed. Man, please, 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 please don't. Stream suspended for policy violations. Was it the music or was it something I said? Who knows, man. Either way, we're gonna listen to some rain sounds. Let's listen to some rain sounds. And let's open that in Chrome. So what? Now I'm trying to think. I'm trying to think what we can listen to, man.
Came loaded with
All right. Hopefully. Ooh, that sounds scary. Yeah, Nintendo will get me. Okay, that music is too intense. I know it is some Elden Ring music. I just wanna listen to things and not be taken down. I don't know what I can listen to. What's crazy is the sound, the ambient sound I was listening to. I think it was AI created. So anyway, we're just gonna move on with our lives. We're just gonna move on with our lives, man. All right, what are we doing now? You're right. It's everywhere. Now I gotta upload a thumbnail for this thing. Alrighty. Now back to our scheduled programming, back to what we were doing, man, before we got taken down by our YouTube overlords. It's always gonna be an uphill battle. All right. So, on that note, we're gonna go on a little break where we make some art. So we got a guy, and the guy has ribs and stuff. We got kind of a little torso thing going on right here or something. I don't know. He's a torso guy. And he got some legs. And he got something like this. Our guy has been through some things. Okay? He's been through a lot. And he's just trying to do better in his life. That's it. Right? He is dead. He's very dead. We're doing the obligatory skeleton. And so now our light source is coming from, let's just say our light source is coming from this side. So why don't we make the darkest color like right here? Like that. Am I American? Okay, let's erase that. No. Yeah. No. Okay, yeah. All right. And we're gonna give them. We're just gonna erase this. He's a skeleton man. He's been through a lot. Okay. He's been through a lot, and he is trying his best. And y'all are gonna leave this skeleton man alone. All right. And then we're going to... Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Why don't we give him some hair? Give him some hair, man. Because he used to be a cool dude. Before he became a skeleton guy. He was a day trader, you know? Hold on, let's not give him too much hair. How are we gonna do his hair? Red Mohawk vibe. Yeah. Red Mohawk. Let's give him a gold earring. Let's give him a gold necklace. Some sideburns. Sideburns. Is that sideburny? Yeah. Yep. 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 That's, yep. All right. And we got his gold chain. Because, I mean, why not? And, oh, nothing. I'm just taking a break because I do web development. I caught you. I tricked you. We're just taking a break. Not the UGG. You're lame. Imagine. The Golden Llama. Okay, so let's see. And then maybe we erase this a little bit. Maybe we erase this. Because legs don't look like that. It's like he's bow-legged or something. Maybe something like... Nah, that's alright. Maybe something like... Nah, that don't look right either. You know, I have no idea. Honestly, okay, I do web dev, and I'm taking a break. I'm just taking a short break between my web dev stints that I'm doing. So, I do web dev, and then I do some art. I do web dev, and then I do some art. Maybe I should just put it on the screen like this so people know what they're getting into. Okay, yeah, there we go. This dude has style. Yeah, you're right. Alright. So I guess I'm gonna leave him alone. I'm gonna leave him alone. I'm gonna let him do his thing. I'm gonna let him do his skeleton thing. Let's see, what other things should we make? We have a chest, we have gold. What else should we make? I want to learn 3JS. There's a 3JS tutorial. So a sword? Yeah, let's do a sword. I'm gonna show y'all the tutorial that I'm gonna do once I get the money to do it. It's a course, and because I wanna have a 3JS course. The 3JS journey. When I get enough money, because I'm broke right now, I'm gonna get this course, and I want to make a portfolio site that has like some 3D. But I know I've already done some 3D stuff. I don't know if y'all can see that I used to do some Blender. So I want to make a portfolio, and maybe I'll add these to it. You know, I could put these on I could put these in 3D. It wouldn't be hard at all. So once I save enough, I'll get that course. Okay, so we should make. I know you a cool web dev guy. Was just wondering why you were drawing. I'm just drawing because okay, let's make a sword. Somebody said we should make a sword. So let's make the silhouette of a sword. So we got our sword like that, something like that. Hold on, let's see. Is it something like that? Something like that. Yeah, something like that. Something like this. Then we erase this. Then maybe it's something like that. Something like that. Right? And then, so now maybe we can add a little darkness right here. Add a little lightness right here. Why don't we make the hilt brown? Add a little lightness right here. Add some more lightness. I know that's too light. Like that. Right. And then maybe we make this a little gold or something. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. You know what I mean. Make this a little darker. Why don't we make this a little lighter? No. We got a sword. I don't know what else to do with this sword. Maybe add like a little... something like that. Alright. We got a sword. We got a sword. Alright. So we got a sword. Ugh. Hold on, maybe we can... yeah. It's a weird looking sword, but it's a sword. Alright. Okay, I'll take a break for 5 more minutes. Let's see, did I get a text message? It says, can y'all see that? Yeah, it was copyright. We have learned our lesson and it's good. Hold on. Now my okay. This was a really good man, this was a really good buy. I'm gonna tell y'all the best two purchases I made in 2025. Ugh. Um were these right here. When I tell you they're over 100, but the sound quality, the ease of use, the feeling of it not being there is amazing. It's worth every penny. They're made by Shocks. Is it gonna focus? Do I have to do one of these? Remember back in the day when people used to do this at the camera? Oh my god, like, I'm wearing MAC Filter 79 blush, goated edition. Alright. And then, oh yeah, this camera, the face cam. Very, very good purchase. Very, very good purchase. So yeah, this is the course that I want to do. Oh yeah, let me add the thing. If y'all wanna get added to, if y'all wanna join the server, uh, there y'all go. There you go. All right. So what we were doing before we were so rudely interrupted by, I mean, I'm sorry. Before we were banished from the YouTube kingdom for a horrible use of copyrighted music. Oh, the travesty. All right. Let's look at this Figma file. So it needs to be all like this. Not a problem. Not a problem. So does it have a, does this, that's weird. It doesn't go any smaller than that, but I want it to go smaller than that. Why isn't it going smaller than that? Let's see. I didn't, but I'll check it right now. Because I'll check it again just so you can see that I checked it. Okay, so I did pin this in the channel, and I see what you did there. I didn't even consider the remove attribute thing. The remove attribute if checkbox is checked. Text area dot max length equal number dot value. Else text area update text area limit on change. Yes. What I was confused about was the brackets around data checkbox and data number. That confused me. No, no, all of this is understandable, right? This is cool. This is good. Uh, I don't know why you put the brackets here. That's what I want to know. I don't understand this. Is it like a child selector? Is it like is it a different type of siblings? Like, what is this? Why you put the brackets there? I know it still selects this fine. Oh, 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 oh. Did not know that was a thing. Wow. I had no idea that was a thing. Do you work professionally, New? Oh, how long have you been learning? Hold on. I wonder, can I do something like this? Why won't you get smaller? Oh, okay, cool, cool. Do you have a GitHub? I gotta remember that sometimes live server doesn't act right. Let's see. I think I'm going to use clamp here. Hopefully I remember how to use clamp. So we have the max, which is going to be 990 pixels, and then let's see, the min, let's go to our Figma file. What's the size of this whole thing? The min, okay. And then we have oh yeah, New, do you have a GitHub? Oh, 375. 375. And then the ideal would be probably something like, let's do 20, hold on, 16. Let's do 50 rem plus 1, 2, 7 view width. Let's see what happens when I do something like that. Hmm. Uh, let me cook. I know I'm doing weird stuff, but let me cook. I know it's looking weird. Hmm. You're not doing what I want you to do. It's okay. It's alright. I'll figure this out. That. This is nice. I like this. Yeah, this is nice. Alright, that's a good starting point. Min width. Interesting. I think that's the thing. Oh. See, I need to remember you can mix and match these things. That solved what I was trying to do, but I'm glad that you were here. I'm glad that I struggled, and I'm glad that you helped me figure it out. So, thank you. I appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. I'm gonna remember that going forward. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's like this moments like that make it worth streaming. Cause I grow, and I'm hoping that y'all grow too. Yeah, the car should be a column, but I think what I'm gonna do is, oh my god. I think what I'm gonna do, cause how long have I been streaming this? This is 55 minutes, and this other one is. Where are we? This is 55 minutes so far, and this other one is. So that's almost. So I'm gonna end the stream by making one more thing. Do you have a suggestion on what I should make? Any suggestions on what I should make in this thing? Offense. Let's see. Offense. So I think offense would be something like this. Hold on. And then Fences have things like that, right? And then the fences themselves are usually brown. So why don't we try to find a dark brown? I know I could have used the paint bucket tool. Okay, and then I think so we got that brown, but we might need, oh, that brown is way lighter than I thought it was going to be. Why don't we put some light colors right here? And then maybe a middle color, or yeah, that could be our, maybe I do web development, but I'm taking a break and doing some art. So I'm making little pixel art things. Should I add, should they be taller? Should they have grass? No, no grass. Is it 16 by 16? 16 by 16. Nah, I haven't. It'd be cool though. It might be cool, yeah. Alright. So we made a fence, we made a skeleton, a sword, a chest, a gold pile, a portal on stream today. So tomorrow we will be doing even more. What, these? These little, you think these look complex? Oh, yeah, making a pixel art app should be complex. Do you just use the HTML canvas, JavaScript canvas, whatever? Maybe something like that. Anyway, this was a great stream. I will um, talk to you guys later. Thank you. Who was the one who knew? It was New. New, are you in a server? Okay. Gotcha. What is this? Ooh. Oh. Man, if you don't if so are we in the same like skill level right now? Like are we on the same? Oh my God, I forgot to push. Oh no. I messed up my streak. Yep. Oh. Hold on. For 3 days I didn't push? That's unlike me. I'm gonna push right now though, whatever. It is what it is. Things happen. Yeah, I've been forgetting, man. But you know what? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I don't want to be too hard on myself because I know what happens if I get too hard on myself. I'm so glad that you showed me that thing though with the width and the max width. I don't know why I didn't think that they could be used together in that type of way. It just goes to show there's so much that we still need to learn. Bro, advice, don't waste a lot of time learning how to manipulate the DOM with Node.js because in real world you will never use them because you will work with frameworks. Let's see, learning roadmap. Where are we? Character counter, Kristen codes, character counter. Where are we? Yeah, character counter. Hold on, what? Oh. I didn't know changing your email could do that. Noted. That's crazy, man. Stream unavailable. That's crazy, man. All right. All right, we're out of here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, today. All right. All right, bye. Bye, Angel.